M1 adopts direct drive mode. The machine head control box and operation panel are integrated structure. There are NS simple electric control, SF function electric control, with automatic, semi-automatic, free stitch, all artificial 4 modes. Equipped with 3 electric eyes detection automatic empty loop thread cutting device to prevent the wrong operation to cut off the fabric. Relying on the operation prompt sound to support the operator. The brightness of the LED lighting can be adjusted in 2 stages, making the operation around the needle drop point more convenient. The standard configuration electromagnet controls the empty loop thread trimming and automatic presses foot lifting device with 2 safety switches. The multifunctional USB interface is standard in the control box and is used for smartphone charging and mini fan power supply.